absolutely. If I can't open a product, I'm not going to repurchase it. Like, it just makes sense because I'm not then going to actually use the product. And it also just like impacts your experience with the whole brand and the whole product, because when you live with accessibility challenges, you're frustrated constantly and you're frustrated daily. So you become really loyal to brands that have considered it, even if it is accidental. Like, we talk a lot about like accidental accessibility, when things are just designed by accident to be easier to use. You then become really loyal to those brands because you're like, oh, I know that I'm going to be able to use it more easily. And you don't actually look anywhere else, because you just go to the go-to ones, because nothing is more frustrating than taking a chance on a new brand and not being able to use it. So you just repeat buy the exact same things constantly because you know how to use them and you know that they're going to work for you.
You're looking at 2 or 3 different products. Taste is certainly a big factor. Price is another factor. But yes, there have been things that I have chosen not to buy again because they were just so hard to get into.
It would be how quickly and easily I can open it. That would be the biggest standpoint or area where I would have a repeat buys, if I can open it or not. And I would be easily swayed if I can't open it to move on to another item. So there's probably not as much, there is loyalty in it if I can open it really quickly and easily, and if I can't, then there's no loyalty at all.
Where possible, we try to avoid products that are hard to open.